Hello everyone, welcome to Marking Up with HTML for Beginners. I'm Amit Kumar and this is the 23rd tutorial, Real Life Formatting. So today we are going to discuss about few of the formatting tags that are used for real life formatting. Now, what do we mean by saying real life formatting? I mean to say the format that we use to represent these things in real life. So let's see, contact details. Now HTML has an element for marking up contact details. Now this element is known as address. So address element can be used to mark up the contact details. For example, you can see I have shown you we can use the address element, and within that we can take help of this paragraph element to insert any certain paragraph which we want to insert inside it. And similarly, if we want, we can use line breaks as well so that these things can be separated in a line. So whatsoever kind of formatting you want to give to the text you can give, and then you should enclose them inside this address element. So the question is, what will be the effect of using this address element? We can simply type, we can simply pass this text. So what is the need or what is the benefit of having this address element? So one of the benefit is semantic meaning. Definitely it provides a semantic meaning, right? And the second benefit is related to the formatting. So I will show you that in the practical session of this tutorial itself. So just wait for a while and let's see a few more tags that we are going to use. So Superscript and Subscript. Now these are the two very important elements available in HTML to provide superscript and subscript kind of formatting. Now we use these things in real life a lot. Okay, like if we are working with chemical formula, if we are writing down mathematical equations, then in those situations we need to use subscript and superscript. Now SUP element is used to represent superscript and SUB element is used to represent subscript. So for example, you can see here the address element is used, and within that there is no address being typed. In fact, two text is typed there. So actually the address is meaningless over here. So it should not be there like that. But I'm just explaining you the text, so let it be. Now here you can see 26th February 2021, right? So 26th, this TH is actually being superscripted with the help of this SUP element. And similarly, chemical formula of water, H2O, this 2 have been subscripted with the help of SUB element. So now it's time to see the effect of these elements practically. So let's move to our desktop. So you can see in this Notepad++, I have already created tutorial 23 over here. Now within this tutorial 23, I have inserted an HTML file as well with the name real life format. And you can see I have given a title as well to this page with the name real life formatting. I have written a heading, a subheading with address as the text. And then I have written an address over here. Now what I'm doing, I'm simply using the paragraph tag to represent this address. Fine. So I'm opening, closing the paragraph, and also I will use the BR tag. Fine. So let me use the BR as well here. So here itself I will use the BR and I will make it a self-contained element because I'm closing it right away. So let me use these BR so that the line should change. But you can clearly see I haven't used the address element yet, right? So this is just a simple paragraph with few line breaks. I have saved it and let me run this on the Google Chrome. And now you can see this is a subheading. This is another subheading over there. And this is a paragraph of address. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually enclosing this inside the address element, which will definitely provide a semantic meaning to this tag, to this text. And let's see what is the difference of formatting in that case. So you can clearly see I have used the address to enclose this paragraph itself. So let me close the address and let me provide an indentation effect so that it should be more clear. Fine. And let me indent this paragraph as well. So fine. Now let's see what's the change in the output. And you can see this effect of italics is actually because of that address element. So that certain address element is not only making a change in the format, but it will also provide a semantic meaning to this certain text, and it's really very good for the screen readers. And now let's see the superscript and subscript element, right? And for that, the same paragraph which you have seen in the slide, I have pasted it here, right? And here the first paragraph is saying, hello, my name is Amit Kumar and my birthday is on 26th February 2021. And here it is showing the chemical formula of water is H2O. But the effect is not what we are expecting if we are going to run them on the Chrome. You can see here carefully the TH of 26th is not superscripted. Similarly, the 2 of H2O is not subscripted. So to perform that, we need to use super and sub element. So here the TH I will use super, so it will raise a bit higher, and here I will use subscript element, so it will fall a bit lower. So let's see the effect now. So let me launch it again in Chrome, and now you can see the TH is being superscripted and 2 of H2O is being subscripted, and definitely it's a bit real life formatting provided to them. So that marks the end of this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to talk about how we are going to write down computer codes in the same format on our HTML page. So that marks the end of this tutorial. Hope to meet you in the next video tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.